Welcome back to InformOverload. I'm your host Johnny Rogers and you're watching the #1 tea-spilling entertainment news show on the internet. In today's video we'll be breaking down exactly who people actually want to replace Amber Heard as Mera in Aquaman 2. But first, if you happen to be new here and you don't want to miss another daily video from us, make sure you tap that subscribe button to join our notification squad. Yes, time to pop that champagne, ladies and gentlemen. All of those petitions you signed and videos we made exposing Amber Heard's hypocrisy has put some serious pressure on Warner Brothers. It was just announced that Blake Lively will be replacing Amber Heard in the upcoming film Aquaman 2, he said hopefully. Amazing how fast news spreads when nothing is actually solid. What actually happened was that an artist on Instagram did an art commission of Blake Lively as Mera. I mean, the artist nailed it, but you also have to wonder if concept art like that will start to make DC more willing to reach out to people like Blake Lively to replace Amber Heard. It would also be great knowing that Mera and Deadpool were actually married in real life. You know, I just want that for us as a society, you know? Although it has not been confirmed that she was offered the role, the Change.org made to remove Amber Heard from Aquaman 2 has nearly reached its goal of 500,000 signatures. It is really bizarre how fast this movie became a chance for redemption. If you recall, Heard's allegations really affected Depp's career. Disney decided to drop him from the Pirates of the Caribbean franchise, which absolutely broke the hearts of many fans. His Jack Sparrow character had become so iconic that it felt like a staple of the entire franchise, and for most people, a staple of their childhood. After him getting fired from the Pirates of the Caribbean franchise, the general public wanted her to suffer in a similar way, especially after she confessed to having an altercation with Depp that also led to a fight. Another very interesting selection for the role of Mera in Aquaman would be the Game of Thrones actress Emilia Clarke. Her and Jason Momoa have already worked together in the past, so there would at least be some chemistry on screen. And when you take a glance at face swaps like this one, where someone was able to Photoshop her onto Mera, it really makes you wonder. Emilia is a terrific actor and would have no trouble with doing this role so long as she doesn't have, any scheduling conflicts, but personally I'd rather see her in that role than Blake Lively. Unfortunately though, we still have no word from Warner Brothers or DC as to what's happening with Amber Heard. There's a good possibility that she signed a 2-movie contract, but it could also be that the studio wants to just stand behind her no matter what. A lot of studios do that and they have in the past. Many fans online are still divided by the whole situation, and some even say that they actually enjoyed Amber in Aquaman, so you know that their executives must be sweating over just what to do with this whole situation. I mean, there's a really good possibility that she just makes a return in Aquaman 2, and like most sequels, it just doesn't do that well. That being said, Aquaman 2 isn't hitting for a long time. Right now, it seems the release date has been set for around December 16th, 2022, but we're hoping by then that all of this COVID mess is cleared up so that they can at least start to film it. Although the people that don't want Amber Heard in this movie vehemently don't want her in it. And I kind of agree with some of their arguments that there should be some type of morality clause within these big movie contracts that gives the director the power to actually recast if he feels that certain levels of morality have been broken. I mean, the odds are probably wild that she would pull something like this again, but she's already done it once, so what's to say she couldn't fake another attack or injury just to get money out of Warner Brothers? I'm not saying that she would do that, but I'm also not putting it past her. The point is, I would not want to have this drama or speculation anywhere near my movie set. It would be so much easier on everyone if they just recast for the second film. But I'd love to hear what you guys think about who would be a good replacement for Amber Heard. Do you like Blake Lively? Do you prefer Emilia Clarke? Or was there somebody that I completely missed that you would love to see in this role? Either way, let me know down in those comments below. And with that, let's check out some of your comments from the video titled Top 10 Celebrities That Forgave Their Partner for Cheating. And yes, I saw the editor mistake as they put Solange as a photo of Liv. I don't know how you messed that up, but we all have our days. Let's move on. Tasha Elton says, I think RPATs took K-Stu back because they had a film to promote. Yeah, that's a big possibility as to why they stayed together. I mean, it's happened before. And Emo Requiem says, Johnny looking like Discount Jesus in a good way. I'm gonna be honest, I had a good laugh at this comment for a long time. The first time that I read it. Discount Jesus, that's hilarious. Tanvi Das says, hey Johnny, great video. Can I get a feature please? Love from India. Much love to India. It's amazing that there's so many people around the world that are watching this channel. And there's your feature. Thank you so much for watching and thank you for being part of the BTS family. Emery J says, OMG, please notice me. You guys are the best YouTube channel. Thank you so much for your content. You've been noticed, even though I saw a bunch of people hating on your comment telling you that this isn't the way to get noticed. But look, there's your shout out. Thanks for watching. I hope you're not a bot. Please tell me you're not a bot. Garnet Neptune says, shout me out, please. I've been trying. Hopefully I'm lucky. Oh, there's your shout out, Neptune. You got lucky. Much love to you and thanks for being a fan. Thank you so much for watching and thank you to our editors for all of your hard work. If you enjoyed this video, then please show us some love here by tapping that like and subscribe button. Plus, don't forget to leave us a comment down below with your thoughts on today's story. And for more videos like this one, all you gotta do is tap that playlist when it pops up on your screen. From InformOverload, my name is Johnny Rogers saying until next time, stay classy.